They are proven time and time again. These are not your Meemaw's wigs, okay? Because they are coming to slay and take your 4 easy payments. To pop, to pop, to pop, to pop, to pop. Look at me wearing my husband. You couldn't tell me at 12 years old that I was not gonna marry this man. Welcome back to the channel. It's Mika Lynn. Thank you so much for tuning in to this review. We're gonna hop right into this. Of course, I do appreciate if you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, drop a comment down below. Most importantly, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. And we are going to get into this top tier hair, baby, by our friends at Klaiyi Hair. Getting to it. Yes, getting to it. I'm feeling good, y'all. Y'all, listen, okay, I'm not gonna hype this unit up before I try it on. The texture on here, I'm living for it, and the density, I'm living for it, Klaiyi Hair. So this is gonna be one of those wear and go pre-cut lace units. The knots on here do look like they are bleached. However, I'm not all the way a fan of the lace itself, but I do believe it is going to be blendable, and this does come in a preset middle part, so I think we are going to make this easy peasy, keep it as is. I do have a couple of ideas in mind. I do want to show you how I wear my wigs when I go to the gym, and I think I may try to do like a cute little other, you know, kind of fancy schmancy type of look, you know what I'm saying?
Said you want a bad one. Well, baby, I'm as bad as they come. Said you want a hot one. Yeah, you with the hottest under the sun. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargain for. Fun to flirt, but promise to deliver. Much is required. Cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You said you want a real one. Well, it don't get no realer than the realest one. Baby, can you handle it? If you really want it, better come get you some. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargained for. One dessert, but you ain't finished dinner. Much is required. Cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real.
Is this not giving girl next door at the ball game? Baby, this is giving like you know, I'm the picture's wife. Get into it. So this unit by Klaiyi hair, listen, this has a lot of bells and whistles, and there are a couple of things that I definitely would like to see improved. Now I am seeing a little bit of a line of demarcation going along the perimeter of this unit. I could go in with the Bronze palette, and I'll try to break up that line with some concealer, and this is just whatever I have left on my brush right there. Voila. The lace it's doable, but I would definitely like it to be just a little bit more on the brown girl friendly side. I am loving this texture, and considering that curling this unit took less than 5 minutes, I think it came out beautifully. Now the curls did fall, and that's fine, but guess what? Boom, baby. Nothing is better than that switch up remix. So yes, this is my tried and true look when I am going to the gym. And you know what, as much as I love a nice little carefree messy type of bun, not all a fan of it on this particular unit. And with this particular style, you're not going to have a lot of coverage on the sides, so you can see a little bit of the wig here. This is part of the wig, and then this is the wig, but this is my leave out, and you can kind of see it a little bit up here. If you are one of my alopecia or hair loss beauties, then of course that is going to be an issue for you. Me, I do have hair here, so I was able to pull it out and finesse it pretty easily. But you can definitely make it work. That's just something that you're gonna have to keep in mind with this particular unit. Not sure how the back looks, but I'll insert it somewhere in this video. And I think that's really pretty much it for this beauty, baby. And once again, they are proven time and time again, these are not your Meemaw's wigs, okay? Because they are coming to slay and take your 4 easy payments. So big thank you to Klaiyi hair for sending out this unit. If you are interested in this particular beauty, definitely hit up the description box down below. It will take you directly to the specs for this particular unit. Big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, drop me a comment down below. Most importantly, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.
Come get you somebody. Careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargained for.